Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer Vermintide 2 game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first. And then make sure changing requires restart of the game. So just restart your game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties and go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game. And once you restart the game, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard and then see if the controller is working or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes your problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Now if you are using a wireless controller, please check if it is paired correctly or not. And if you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to verify integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer Vermintide 2 game and then select properties. Then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Warhammer Vermintide 2 game and then check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.